welcome back to my channel, our Fashion Friday series. Today I wanted to talk about the concept of layering. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay, about layering. So, as I've been saying in several of my videos, I have fallen in love with fall fashion. I've fallen in love with the fall season. I've been someone that just prefers, when it's summertime and springtime, but I didn't think much about fall and winter, but I really love these seasons now. And so I've been exploring the notions of dressing for fall, dressing for winter, and I wanted to share with you some of the things I've come up with in terms of layering. Okay, I will usually start with a vest, just a sleeveless t-shirt. I have so many of these and I believe in wearing them under all my clothing, because sometimes you can get really warm and you want to take off all your pieces, and sometimes you just need to breathe. So that's always the first thing that will go to my body. So the most important thing is what you wear on the inside, and for that I would recommend thermal t-shirts. So I have this is my thermal t-shirt. I normally buy this when I go over to England. These are actually from Marks and Spencer's. I have several of these, like it's what I'm wearing right now. If you have this inside your garment, you're definitely going to be warm, because it's thermal and it keeps you warm and it maintains your body heat inside. And they're like a second skin because they're quite fitted to your body, so it doesn't add bulk. You can add more layers to it and it's still just you. You can really get them in short sleeves, you can get them in all kinds of design, but I always get mine in long sleeve. I've got them in grey, in black, and in this beigey color. That's how I like them. So that's the second thing that goes onto your body for the layering. And the third piece I would normally add would be a cardigan such as this, something really warm and snazzy, I love me cashmere. I just find it so pampering to the body. So I would normally grab something like this. So I'd have the vest inside, the sleeveless, and then I'd have the thermal top. And then I'm going to add this jumper. And then after that, I'm going to add a cardigan such as this. It doesn't matter if it's open or closed. I normally prefer all of mine to be closed, to be open. Doesn't matter as long as it gets the job done. I like when they're open, because then if it starts to get a little bit warm, you can just unbutton and let yourself breathe a little bit and let some of the cool air come in and cool you down. So I like to dress with that. And after that, I will throw on a scarf, say like this one. This is currently my favorite scarf. I really like how thick it is, and I love the soft blush pink. So you'd wear that, and if there was any chance you're going to be cold, this takes care of all that, because it's thick, it's chunky knit. You can have it as close up to your neck as you need it to be, or you can just wear it, a bit more loose. That's why I really like when they come long, because then you can decide how close you want it to the neck in terms of protection for up there. So once you have that, you really are already warm enough, because now this is your fourth sort of layer. You've got your sleeveless, you've got your thermal, you've got your jumper, and now you've got your cardigan on top, and now you've got your scarf. Now, to be really warm and snazzy, you can add on a winter coat. And that to me would be this baby that I have had for 8 years now. You would add that on, and that would definitely now take care of any cold. Now you have to be able to breathe, people, but this would definitely take care of any other cold that might be able to seep in. And this is if you want to try and be fashionable, If you don't mind the other puffy jackets, that's okay, but on a day when you still need, to look proper, you need to look clean, and you need your jacket to look fit and tailored, you can wear something like this on top, and then you just button up if you want to. You can button up. Let me button up for you. And then you can belt it if you want, and that really keeps you warm and snazzy. If you're getting hot during the day and you want to remove that, then you can just get rid of that. You cool down a little bit. Or you can just have it as once, you can have it go around you just one time as opposed to many times, and then it just hangs fashionably down you. So I will take these off because I'm indoors and it's not cold. Trust me, it's not cold. I have the heat up. So Oopsie. So I'll just do this one. Alright, so that's how you do layering. That, at least that's how I've been doing mine. I'm sure as the seasons turn and I get to experiment more with fashion, I'm going to come up with even, you know, different, fresher ideas. But for now, I'm so excited to be putting this into practice. So I'll leave you looking at a video of some of the pictures and footage that we took while we were out there enjoying the weather. We love to stay active and to go out for hikes even when it's cold. So this is really a good way to bundle up and to stay warm. And I will see you on the next video. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye. Was racing and I said something proactive. It's trying to slow me down, but I have to